Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is an old video that I made. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey you guys, now I'm using Embark by MAC Cosmetics to fill in the eyebrows. Then I'll be using a lighter concealer to sculpt the eyebrows to give it a perfect shape. I'm just using an angle brush to fill in the eyebrows, and then I'll be using a MAC 242 concealer brush to sculpt the eyebrows. Next, I'll be using black Opal Nutmeg to cover up the concealer underneath the eyebrows. Then I'll be using Carb to cover up the concealer above the eyebrows. You can use a small concealer brush or a small foundation brush to cover up the concealer. In order to get the perfect shape, you have to try your best to glide against the eyebrows. The top foundation I'm using to cover up the eyebrow is called Carb by Black Opal. Next, I'll be using Clown White by NYX Cosmetics as my eyeshadow primer. The products that I'll be using for the eyeshadow, I'll be listing it in the description box. So please look at the description box to see the products that I use for the crease, lid, tips, and the crease cut. Doing eyeshadow always look messy at first, but the outcome is always beautiful. For the tips of the eyes, I'm just using different variations of browns. I try my best to make sure both eyelids are equal. Then I start using some black. Then I go back into the crease to soften it up with whatever crease color I use. Now to cut the crease, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Warm Honey. I'm not an expert in this crease cut style, but I'm still learning. Now for the inner corner, I'll be using Pearl Pigment by NYX. Now I'll be using the cranberry color for the middle. As I pat only the cranberry in the middle of the lid, I'll also try to blend it a little with the white pigment. Again, doing eyeshadow may look a little messy and crazy, but the outcome is always pretty. Now I'm using a dark burgundy color to blend the end of the red and the black eyeshadow towards the tip of the eyes. I'm going to add a little bit more black to the tips just to intensify the eye. It's her birthday. I use makeup wipes to clean up and sharpen up the eyes. Some people use tape to sharpen up the eyes. Now I'll be using black liquid liner by Amuse Cosmetic This is my favorite liquid liner because it gets the job done fast and quick. Now for eyelashes, I'll be using La Charma Wispy Lash. I'll be stacking her lash, so she'll be wearing about 2 or 3 pairs. I like to use Sassy Eyelash Adhesive Glue for my eyelashes. It looks just like bonding glue. Now bonding glue is Sassy Eyelash Glue, and it works the same, and it lasts long, and is waterproof or water resistant. I love to use tweezer when applying eyelashes. It's helped me to make sure that the eyelash is nice and secure on your real lash. After applying eyelashes, I always go back and brush through the eyelashes with a mascara wand to make sure there's no makeup underneath the eyelashes. Her face is already primed with Pro Longwear Concealer. Now I'll be using MAC Cosmetic NC50 Studio Fix Fluid as her inner circle color. Then for her outer shape color, I will be using MAC Cosmetic Studio Fix Fluid NW48. I'll blend both of those colors towards each other to give it a perfect blend. For concealer, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Toffee. To contour her, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NW58. I prefer liquid foundation because it's much easier to blend. Now I'll be setting the inner area of her face with mineralized dark powder, and for the outside, dark deep powder. All she do want to play, y'all. I'm sorry. All she want to do is laugh. Now I'll be using my NYX Cosmetic Auto Sand to highlight her. Next, for her lipstick, I'll be using Current MAC Pencil as her lip liner in Ruby Roo to give her an ombre red lip. I know I'll be slapping the lipstick and the lip liner on, but I have to use a brush anyway to clean it up, so excuse me, y'all. Even though I'm using the brush and the pencil back to line up her lip, I'll have to go back with her foundation to sharpen her lips up. Now I'm dusting all this powder off of her, because I have to go back and clean up everybody, clean up everywhere. I'm just using her skin foundation to clean up the lips, to sharpen it up. I'm using Nutmeg foundation stick to help it to not bleed. I'm going to let that thing sit right there for a bit. Then I'm going to blend it down. I'm just using a mixture of blush from the Juvias palette. That'll be listed in the description box. I added the Gold Deposit bronzer on early. Now I'll be using a white eyeliner by MAC Cosmetics to open up her eyes. Now I'm smudging the bottom of my eyes with a black powder eyeshadow. And I like to use a cardboard to help me with any fallouts. I know y'all have to go back on that lip and touch it up. I'll get back to that lip. But right now, I'm adding on some bottom lashes. I'm using Le Charmer number 15. I cut them in their design shape and I place them upside down. Depending on how big a person's eye is, I normally put 3, 4, or 5 bottom lashes. Here you go. I'm getting this lip back together. I'm blending all that line of demarcation off. And I added the pencil to where you saw that foundation was sitting at. I told you guys, I'll get back to it. This video was recorded on my Facebook Live, and as you can see, I take most of my pictures on my Snapchat. The birthday girl is ready. The birthday girl is ready. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Get it, boo. Get it, boo. Get it, boo. It's your birthday. Get it, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. And please let me think what you think about this video. I filmed this video a while back and I'm just not posting it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.